If you're in a space where it's safe to close your eyes and meditate with me for just a few minutes, go ahead and do that now. Take a long, slow breath in and let it go. And if you haven't already, let your eyes gently close with each breath. The body softens and your shoulders relax. Your jaw relaxes and your chest rises and falls easily. There's nothing to do but be here. You are safe. You are supported. Let the air flow gently in and out. Let go of tension in your neck. Let your arms start to feel heavy. Let your legs relax. Each breath, feel yourself drifting into a deeper sense of calm, into a deeper connection with every sound you hear. You relax even more. Every word guiding you gently inward. Sense yourself surrounded by a soft, gentle light. This light is warm. The light is familiar. It knows you. It protects you. You feel safe in this light. Let it surround you fully. Let it flow through you. Let it calm your thoughts. And let it still your mind. You're now moving into stillness, into presence, into soul awareness, into the space beyond thoughts, into the space where your soul speaks. And you can hear, you can feel, you can sense, you can remember who you are. With every breath, you drift deeper, deeper into your own truth, into the quiet space within. Now get a sense or imagine that you're walking along a gentle path. Notice what's underneath your feet, what the path might be made of, if you knew what was there. This is a sacred path for you, surrounded by nature. You feel what's beneath you. Your feet are soft and steady and supportive, holding you up, moving you forward in life and in spirit. And each step you take takes you inward, each step leading you home. Notice the air around you. Clean air, light and alive. It feels like it's filled with something more, something beyond this world. This is a soul place, a remembering place, a place your soul recognizes. You've been here before many times, and it welcomes you back. With every step, you release the past. With every breath, you open to the now. And you move through a gentle mist. It softens you. Imagine, get a sense that this mist is clearing the energy around you. It aligns you with what matters, what's real, and what's eternal. Feel your energy shift. Feel yourself arrive at your center. Ahead of you now is a bright light. This light, it matches your frequency, the frequency of your soul. It calls to you. Are you ready? Ready to remember who you are? Ready to reconnect to your soul? You have that wisdom within you. Feel yourself standing in this light now. Let it wash over you. Let it cleanse your field. Let it activate your awareness. You are pure presence. You are more than this body. You are energy. You are light. You are eternal and you are connected. Feel this truth settle in you. There is no rush, no pressure, just peace. Just soul knowing you are enough. You've always been enough. Right here, right now, in this moment, ask gently in your mind to your higher self, are you with me? Listen without expectation. Feel the answer. It may come as a feeling, a word, a memory, a soft awareness. Your higher self always answers in the way that's right for you. And so saying inwardly, gently to yourself, I am open to hear you. I am ready to sense you. I trust our connection. Feel what shifts. Notice what arises. Your soul is here. Your wisdom is here. You let your higher self gently step or float forward, and you sense it in front of you. What might it look like? Maybe a knowing and a calm. This version of you is whole. The version of you holds the imprint, the blueprint, the wisdom, the knowing. But remember, you are not separate from your higher self. You are already your higher self. It is only humans that feel the need to place things in boxes, to separate things. But for this meditation, just for now, imagine your highest self gently placing a hand over your heart. Feel that warmth, that love, that peace. Let it settle in. Let it remind you that you are never alone. You've always been guided, even in the silence. Even in the times of struggle, You've been held. Asking now, what do I need to remember? Listen and trust what comes. Trust what you feel. What do I need to remember? Maybe it's just one word. Maybe it's an image. Maybe it's a wave of calm. Your soul speaks in waves. Your mind can't always grasp, but your heart always understands. So let whatever message came to you, let that anchor in you. Let it expand, let it grow roots, let it become part of you. Knowing that you carry this truth now, it will guide you forward. It's always working in you, for you, aligning you on your path, always shifting your choices for your highest good. You are becoming more of who you are. And now imagine your soul gently merging with your body like light filling every cell, like warmth softening every space. Let it move through your chest, into your arms, down into your hands. Let it move gently through your spine all the way to your toes. You are fully connected now, fully embodied. This is a healing light. It carries pure intelligence, pure love. Let it go to the places that feel blocked, the places that may carry old fear or old grief, old confusion. Let your soul dissolve those energies. Let it clear them gently. You know you don't have to hold them anymore. You are allowed to be free. You are allowed to be light. You are allowed to rise. Let your breath carry the release. Inhale, healing. Exhale, release. Inhale, presence. And exhale, the past. You are being restored, recalibrated. Your body is responding. Your heart is opening. Your mind is quiet. Your field is clear. You are whole. You are in alignment with your soul's rhythm, with your soul's truth, with your next steps. They're already forming. Feeling or knowing this integration in your own way, this truth, you find yourself now gently, ever so gently, coming back to the body. Remember, you have a body right now. And as I count to 3, you start to move the body gently, integrating the knowledge, the relaxation, the soul into every part of your being. And when I reach 3, you'll open your eyes feeling rested, rejuvenated, and relaxed. 1, feeling good, feeling relaxed. 2, gently moving the fingers and toes, shifting the body. And 3, opening your eyes, feeling more alert, rested, rejuvenated, and relaxed. If you enjoyed this meditation, please find the link below and join me in my community, the Infinite Mind, where all month we have events, lives, meditations, and workshops. See you there.